This summer, wildfires have destroyed forests in Romagna and Spain, and bears have lost much of their home. With less food, bears are coming back to the villages, feeding on fruits from the local apple trees. Of course, villagers are worried and conflicts are rising. Peaceful coexistence between humans and bears is at risk. But here's the good news. There's a solution. Fapas, our local partner there, will plant oaks as well as apple, cherry and plum trees for the bears. And they carefully choose locations further away from the villages in areas where they are naturally protected from future fires. And you can support this. With 21 euros, you can plant a tree for Giving Tuesday and help restore the bear's habitat.